Take a look at what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one here, 1927 Chrysler Street Rod, custom built, and that is how it's titled, is 1927 Chrysler. To me, it's kind of got that Bonneville salt flat, old school hot rod speed look to it. All right, power plant, small block Chevy, 350 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive 700 R4 transmission. See shocks up front, I-beam, drum brakes. You'll be able to see all this in the still pictures, close up, undersides, interior, engine bay. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See, riding on chrome wheels, old school style Firestone bias ply tires. Again, I think that's part of what gives it that Bonneville salt flat look. So it's running 6 2-barrels on an Edelbrock intake manifold, albeit it's using 2 of them. So 4 are for looks, just so you know. It's running off the center too. We're gonna fire this thing up, let you hear it run too. Could you obviously hook the other ones up? Absolutely. A couple gauges for vacuum and what is it, oil pressure up here, I believe. Also gauges on the dash, and we'll get around to that here and start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. See how he gets the camera in this. Take you for a virtual ride. Obviously, metal body, no hiding it. That's steel, baby. Some custom seats. Obviously, fuel cell in the back, battery with disconnect on it. Ford 9-inch rear end. You see some suspension components. And again, you'll be able to see a lot from the underside pics on this too. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins and cruise-ins, local shows, no doubt about that. This one will turn some heads. And check this out. So it does have turn signals, marker lights in the rear, brake lights, headlights up front. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you like street rods, custom build, stuff you just don't see every day, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. I think we need to fire this up. Does have a detachable steering wheel. Obviously, by pushing this, pulling this out, steering wheel will come off, make it easier to get on and off. And some old school gauges. All right, let's fire this up. All right, oil pressure, see came up, fuel gauge, appears it is working. Speedo, water temp, and amp meter. Oh, listen to this. Sounds good, runs nice. How much fun would this be? It's a cool street ride without breaking the bank, no doubt about that. Let's get Jason, take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1927 Chrysler Street Rod, custom build, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades.
Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 27 Chrysler Street Rod. I'm going to talk before I drive. The oil pressure is 60. Fuel gauge working, showing the quarter tank. Speedometer works. The water temperature approximately 160. Amps are charging.